Hi, hello everyone. This is again the Cube at your service. This video tutorial will guide you through the basic about Pocket Tracer. Well, I presume that the reason why you're watching this is that you are beginners in this simulation tool. As we all know, Pocket Tracer is a to be a simulation tool that allows you to emulate a network topology through simulation and visualization without even building physically. Therefore, this enables you to connect networks successfully before implementation, not needing those expensive tangible equipment or rather spending hours of wiring things together. Well, all you have to do that or use the simulation tool, then you could be able to guide you a setup on a simple network consisting of a router and a two client personal computer. And in here, you're gonna learn how to configure it through the CLI or what you call the command line interface. Then you're going to simulate it for proper connection and configuration. Now, I assume that you have downloaded already your Pocket Tracer and it will gonna create a shortcut in your desktop background. Once you double click your Pocket Tracer, then it will gonna lead you into this window. When you open your Pocket Tracer by default, you will be presented with this following interface. Let's try to discuss the following interface. Well, as you can see, it consists of 10 components. I'd rather said that it is consists of 10 components. Well, it depends on how I did come up with its title itself. Okay, the first component, this one. Okay, this one is what you call the menu bar. It consists of different tabs from file, edit option up to the help menu bar. Then we have this component which is called the main toolbar. As you can see, it has a different icons wherein each and every icon has designated functions. You can even redo or undo. Then you can have their minimize, then maximize, zoom in and zoom out. Rather, it's not minimize and maximize, the save and so on and so forth. Then we have this component. This is what you call the common toolbar. And the next component will be the logical and physical. What is the purpose of this? This one will enable us to visualize the logical window if you like the workspace to be and logically presented, or rather in physical window wherein you can toggle both any of these two window. Then this component is called the device selection box. This one is very useful, and this one is a device selection box, a specific selection box rather. Whenever you're gonna click here or rather another device here, there's a selection for a specific device that you want to use. Then this component, this area is said to be the real time and the simulation component. What is the purpose of this one? This bar provides buttons to power cycle device and fast forward time, as well as the play control buttons and the event list toggle between a simulation mode. This one is very useful once you are doing your simulation already from the connection that you have made in your workspace, wherein whenever you have the simulation, it contains a clock displays the relative time in real-time mode and simulation mode. It logs all your testing simulation activity. And the last will be our workspace. Well, obviously this one is our work area from where you're gonna be able to do the connection in this area. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm gonna change this one into logical window, logical mode. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is to click in this component with my network device. Then I'm gonna choose a specific device router. I will click 1841 router, then click it to the workspace. Okay, I have one router. Then I will create another device, and that will be the end devices. Specifically the end devices, two computers for PC1 that will name as the PC0. Okay, then another device, end device, which is our PC1 to be click on our work area. Now, how do we do the connection? We will connect them via the cable, and that cable will be the crossover cable. Okay, the icon or the symbol for the cable will be this one. Okay, I'm going to click this one, and specifically I'm going to choose from the specific cable, and that will be crossover cable, this one. Okay, then I will click it on PC0. Then I'm going to choose fast Ethernet 0. Then the other end will connect to a router. Okay, then I'm going to click fast Ethernet 0/0. Done. Okay, now, then repeat the process for PC1. Choose another crossover cable. Okay, this one. Then connect the first end to PC1. Then click again the fast Ethernet 0. Then connect the other end to the router 0. And that will be the fast Ethernet 0/1. So that was the first part of our basic. Kindly proceed to the next video for the part 2 of our manual configuration of a packet tracer. Thank you and see you.